Continuing our team coverage surrounding the coronavirus, one statement that is true for all communicable diseases is that the elderly population is at a greater risk.
And today I met with Bonaventure in Medford, a local senior living facility, about what they're doing to make sure that residents are protected. Bonaventure says that they've been preparing for coronavirus for the past few weeks.
Started working once we knew that there was potential risk here. So working with our teams on additional training, additional supplies, sanitation processes, things of that nature, because we do operate communities in Oregon, Washington, and Colorado.
There has been a deadly coronavirus outbreak at a senior living facility in Kirkland, Washington. Bonaventure's facilities are not a part of that outbreak, but they do have a location in Bothell, which is not far from Kirkland. The outbreak is something that Bonaventure says it's been focused on, specifically concerning prevention.
So for us, knowing that you have families that travel, people that travel internationally that come into our communities, we want to start being prepared right out of the gate. Because once you, like I said earlier, once you introduce it in, it's too late at that point. The goal is prevention.
As you walk through the front doors, you'll see bright pink signs alerting visitors to changes.
With that, we've asked all of our families to please check in at our front desk. We've posted signs. We've shut down a lot of the different access points. And we're actually having each family be pre-screened, or any visitor or guest, where they're filling out a form that asks them some basic questions. What the CDC outlines would be risk points for us. And if they answer yes to any of those questions, then we're asking them to reschedule their visit for a later time.
Once inside, you'll find hand sanitizer throughout the building.
We've also implemented sanitation around the clock. We've added additional staff that all they're doing is cleaning and sanitizing surfaces throughout the day.
Bonaventure says that they're holding off on any group outings and are making sure their in-house activities are open and frequent.
You know, we've shut down things such as outings that our residents go on, you know, trips to casinos and things of that nature. It's asking the general public out there to help as well, to keep their hands washed, use good universal precautions, continue to work with us, and be patient during these times. You know, for us, resident families or visitors, knowing that what we're doing is in their loved one's best interest.
And Bonaventure says that they ask the community be understanding during this time as they work to ensure their residents are safe.
The Jackson County Expo says it's monitoring the impact of COVID-19. The Expo shared this statement on social media today. The Expo says in a daily contact with local, state, and fellow partners, it says its priority is the health and safety of spectators, participants, volunteers, and staff. The Expo says it is not changing any of its event schedules.